I'm gonna be following
with my Smurfy palette.
Yes. Her Smurfy palette that she got at the swap meet.
Smurfy.
So, I'm gonna be trying to. I have never done makeup in my life ever, so I'm gonna. I haven't. So I'm gonna try to. She's gonna give me a tutorial, and I'm gonna try to recreate her face. You're not embarrassed to show your chubby ass fingers on camera?
My sausage fingers. Okay, sorry.
Okay.
What kind of a look?
I'll do whatever. I don't know.
Okay. So what are we gonna start with today?
I like to start with my eyebrows.
Fuck. Okay. Okay.
So, the good thing is that I have two eyebrow brushes so that you can use one. And I can use my better one. There you go.
Oh shit. Okay. I already feel the stress coming onto me.
Why? Because they look ugly as fuck. This is more like of a tattoo thingy. So you put it and it dries and it like leaves
I have a question.
your
Does it stain?
it stains your brow.
Okay.
Or what do you mean? Like your clothes or
No, I
what?
mean the area, because if I wipe it off, I'm gonna have like the stain.
Yeah. It's I'm gonna show you guys an example. You
White bulb.
kind of go
Okay, well, you have to show me because I'm the one
outline.
that's gonna
Okay,
do it.
well, bitch, I'm into this. You just outline your brow, give it like shape with this thing. Kind of try to make it thick or whatever. You don't have to do it like this, but you could use the stupid ass tattoo thingy.
Okay, I start with this one.
Tattoo. I'm doing it two different types of ways so that people can see how. Cuando llevo prisa.
Okay.
Oh, English or Spanish? Spanish.
Doesn't matter.
When I
Our subscribers are bilingual.
when I'm kind of like in a rush or whatever, I use a Almay one because I can just freaking throw it on and have it dry up and then you peel it like I don't know how to like what.
Well, that's the one you peel off.
Yeah, you peel it off.
My eyebrow won't come off.
No, well mine hasn't come off. Well, I don't think it has, but it just seems like since I've been using it, my eyebrows get thinner. Just kidding. It's like that. But it makes you look like ridiculous. Oh, yeah, I'm trying not to do it like messy or whatever. But
Okay, well I'm gonna copy you.
it is messy.
So you're gonna do this
you
one,
could do
the
it
other
with
one.
that, yeah. With the other one, you just outline your brow however you like.
You're gonna do this one
to
on this
your
eyebrow.
preference, yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna do this one with this eyebrow.
So you
So
just
just
do
outline
to your
it?
preference, yeah.
A lot, just a little bit.
No, well, no te pases de verga, you know. Oops. No te pases de beep. Makeup.
I'll bleep it out.
Okay, so
Let's start.
Ew. Oh, did you guys see that Cardi B's trying to
Who's that?
you know, like when she does her phrase
Trademarked.
yeah, that.
She got denied.
I know she got denied. Do you know why it said?
I don't know. I
Because
guess
it was like
Kim
an everyday
Kardashian-
thing. Like
I guess Kim Kardashian said it like in 2016 or something like that. I was reading.
did she though?
I think she did. It was like in one of her shows. Wait, I think I'm done
You're done.
with this eyebrow. I mean, there's so much I can do.
There is so much you can do. You can conceal. You can I don't know a lot about, you know, but
It's because my eyebrows are already. I think I just made it fucking thick. Ooh.
okay, but then you.
No?
Oh dear Lord Jesus!
Well,
We're
fuck
not
it.
trying to make it
That's
like
the point.
okay.
Yeah, that's the point.
You just do it however you think it looks beautiful.
I just feel like I have a dot right there. There.
So I'm gonna start my other eyebrow, guys, and
Here, then use this one because I'm done.
I'm gonna use my It's
May I see the other one?
It's an elf. It is an elf. And it has number 203. You can't see it because that bitch is clear or whatever.
This was
203. 203, guys. It's an elf brush. You can't see it because it's like clear or whatever.
Is this the one you got at Dollar Tree?
Those are actually Morphe ones. But
Where's the other
I don't know if they're
tattoo?
real or not. What tattoo? Oh.
What do you mean I don't know if they're real?
Well, they gave them to me for a Christmas present.
Oh, that's fucked up. That's fucked up.
You have to crop this.
That's fucked up. Where's the tattoo?
They're my really expensive red Morphe brushes. If you know me, you know my favorite color is red. So I would never say no to these. These are...
Where's the tattoo one?
It's over here. So you kind of like have to like...
What?
You like...
Oh.
You like dip it again because you have to kind of make it thick so that you can be able to peel it.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you kind of just outline it. First and foremost, you guys have to know that when you guys do your eyebrows, it's better if you do it when it's kind of like a clean brow, you know? Because you don't want to put texture over texture.
This peels off, right?
Sure.
It's going to be so uneven.
You use that one.
You can't laugh.
I'm trying not to laugh, but
You're going to make me feel bad.
I think I can live doing this, like, not makeup, like videos or whatever.
We can try.
Si me dejan, nos vamos a querer toda la vida.
Hey, that's trademark. We can't have music.
Ugh. We can sing?
I think you can sing. What are you trying to sing?
Oh. Okay, so,
Wait. Sorry. Our producer just signed something. What happened?
It's just 30 seconds.
We have 30 seconds left.
No, of a song.
Oh.
oh, that was like 1 second.
I was like, I deleted everything off my G Canon 760X that I purchased.
What does that mean?
The camera that I bought. That we're using to record this video.
Oh. Okay. So, we don't need the copy, or what's it called? Copyright rights or something like that? Can I see your eyebrow, friend?
Which one?
Well, not this one. The other one, you know, you kind of like...
No, that one's
What
good.
I like to do...
I actually like this one.
What I like to do when I do my eyebrows, I don't always use the... I'm like so focused on this one that...
Yeah, there's two girls.
What I usually like to do is put like a eyeshadow on top of the brow that is like more brown. I have a brown here, but it's kind of like reddish, and I don't know where I can find. So I'm gonna go in with the, what's it called, like a brown, and kind of mix it with the a little bit darker brown that has like kind of like a red shade.
Do I use the same one?
Yeah. Just don't like super hardly dip it, just barely tap it because if not I'm gonna murder you. So I just go over it with another one.
Wait, which one was it? That one and that one? Do you outline it or you just put it on?
I just put it on kind of like how just follow the flow with the other thing that I did. Y muy importante, chicos, get your whatever thingy this is, concealer or whatever you do your brows with. I use NYX and I use Maybelline. And you kind of like carve, or I don't know what they call it when you like kind of fix it or whatever. So you kind of put it like over the top, oh, the bottom and the top, just to kind of like...
What's that for?
It cleans it up So I don't know if you want to clean yours up. You need to clean yours up.
You need to clean yours up.
So we are gonna use
The same one?
these type of brushes.
Same thing.
I have 2 different ones. So you just clean it up. You see that shit? You clean it up. our light post is falling asleep. This takes forever. So you're kind of just like cleaning your eyebrows up or whatever. I hate doing this because you could make it or break it. You could either
Oh, it looks crazy.
make your eyebrows look so good. What?
Look how it looks on that. Why does it make
I
it
know
look so
yours
good?
actually look good. I'm not pretty sure they don't.
I don't know how they look on that camera, but they look really good on this one.
Which probably means that they don't look good. So what I do with the concealer, I kind of like.
Wait, it's because you're going fast. So
I'm not a pro.
I just blend it.
Not with your brow. You kind of like pull it down. It's just like you clean it up a little bit. So you don't pull it all the way up to your brow. You just kind of like
Down?
go around it. Because you're like cleaning the edges of your brow so that it can look more perfect, I guess.
Thank you.
You can say. No, I'm not saying that it's perfect, but just that so it can kind of give it like the clean look. Because you are.
Wait, is this supposed to be like my color or something?
Well, which one did you use? Because if you used like a really white one, then that's a foul, my friend.
There.
And just again, I get some brown with my Wet n Wild thing from Dollar Tree because it was just like 108. You do the brow or whatever.
Okay.
Okay, guys, so we're kind of done with the brow part. So we're gonna give our team a little break because we're barely starting and we don't have equipment for this, so it's kind of like hard work to just be standing there and sitting there holding the light and the camera.
Correct.
So
We'll be back.